70,000 more households than last year are now in difficulties. They cannot pay their bills. I've told you that we have hit a record 303,465 households. They are not millionaires. They are working households who now cannot make their bills. And I want a long-term solution. And the long-term solution is to end the price gouging, end the rip-off by the big energy companies, and to give the regulator the powers that they need. But you know that, because I've told you that repeatedly. But I tell you this much, Taoiseach, in the here and now, I want those households to be able to make their bills. And the only way in the short term, in the immediacy of now, that they can do that is by you reinstating that energy credit. That's the reality. That is the intelligent, targeted reality that people are living. So let me ask you again, will you do the right thing, reinstate these credits, and then of course take the longer-term measures that so far you have ignored?
Actually, the energy credit would help the vast majority of those who are not in arrears. Just think about it for a moment. You identified how many are in arrears. Vast majority of people are not in arrears. Now, people are under pressure, don't get me wrong. The energy credit applies to everybody. It's universal. That's what you're arguing should be extended to everybody. Surely it would be far better to help those who are in genuine difficulty. Sorry, look, you're not leader yet, Pierce, for God's sake. You're making attempts lately, but just let me respond to the leader. No, I just want to make the point that we have targeted our measures, right, to meet those who are in difficulty, and that's the key. The once-off cost of living measures are not fiscally sustainable for the next number of years. The 3 and 4 billion that we allocated for 2 years, you just cannot keep doing that, Deputy. We have a strong economy. We've probably one of the best employment positions of any European Union state. We want to preserve that. And we also then want to support those who need support, and we will.
Time is up.
In terms of energy affordability and security.